in the digital economy. So let's go to the slide. Like this is my details. And so let's see what is the importance of driven data decision making. So how these things are working in decision making. So one is enhanced insights, informed strategies, improved efficiency, such as like it's the improve the efficiency when we use the data, and risk mitigation. We can identify the potential risk early through the data analysis and forecasting things. Competitive edge, utilize insights to outperform competitors and meet customer needs. Moving to the next slide, let's see the statistics overview over here. So in here we can see AI adoption rate and perceived benefits. So if we see overall adoption rate in retail sector, it's 85%. 85% of retail sector already adopted the AI. And if we see the finance sector, like it's 80%. If we see the forecasting accuracy, it's 68% right now. And cost reduction by using AI is 60%. And customer satisfaction is by using AI is 72%. Because for customers satisfaction, we can see the example like in call center. Right now, if we call in call center, we get the service by chatbot or AI within 24 hours. Before that, it was not possible. So let's move to the next slide. Another statistics, that is barriers of AI adoption. What is the barrier? So data privacy is, yes, it's a concern. Privacy is a concern, and this is 55%. And there is skill gap. We don't have much people who knows generative AI. They are not still at a. There are lots of 48%. In this 40%, there are lots of people who are not actually that much skill in AI. So, and if we see the high implementation cost, AI has some costing also. So it's 35%. And integration issues is 20%. And non-significant barrier, which is other barrier, is 10%. So let's see the key findings, benefits of AI implementation. So customers satisfaction is 72%, which we can say like business reported that they are improving their customer service according to AI, in 72%. Next forecast, like AI is helping in forecasting what is going to happen by analyzing the data. So this approximate is 68% right now. And by using AI, we can reduce our cost. 60% of companies are reducing their cost. So that is another thing. And in decision making speed, AI is also help in decision making right now. So AI adoption and correlated it's AI is helping in decision making. We can take decision nowadays faster. Let's see operational efficiency. If we see the operation efficiency, business are reported that who are using AI, they are more efficient right now. And data driven decision, AI fosters stronger culture of data driven decision making in organization. And competitive advantage, yes, using AI, implementation of AI is always a competitive advantage for any companies, any organization. Innovative solution, like organization leverage AI for developing innovative solution. It's a strategy itself. Thank you so much.